Have you ever dreamed of having your own personal drone? That you could control and fly however you wanted? What if I told you it was now possible to have a drone controlled by an AI system? This might seem like something out of the future, but trust me, this technology already exists. We're at a point where these drones are incredibly efficient, precise, autonomous, and, best of all, they come with reliable AI capabilities. That said, let us explore further how these amazing pieces of machinery operate using the power artificial intelligence has to offer. How can AI pilot a drone in complex terrain and take off or land safely? Picture this, a drone whizzing through complex terrain, navigating sharp turns and dodging obstacles like a pro. But who's the real pro here? It's not a human pilot, that's for sure. The future is here in the form of AI-powered drones, analyzing complex data and making split-second decisions. AI in drones is transforming how we think about unmanned aerial vehicles. How does AI enable drones to detect obstacles and avoid them automatically? Thanks to the magic of AI, drones can now detect obstacles with ease and avoid them with minimal effort. It's like having a little robot co-pilot that constantly scans the sky for incoming threats, whether it's a stray bird or a skyscraper. So if you thought drones were just for snapping sweet aerial selfies, think again. How can AI be used to create high-resolution 3D maps of an area? Drone technology has come a long way in recent years, but it's artificial intelligence that really brings the wow factor. When it comes to mapping out an area, it's not just cool, it's incredibly useful too. By using AI to process the data gathered by a drone's sensors, it's possible to create high-resolution 3D maps of an area, which was once only achievable with expensive equipment and boring old humans. Who needs a team of cartographers when you've got AI at your fingertips? Potential for AI to be used for efficient delivery of goods. As we all know, delivery drones have become quite popular in recent years. But with the help of AI, these drones can become even more efficient and reliable, delivering goods with robotic precision. AI-powered drones can sense obstacles and navigate around them, making it a safe and hassle-free experience for all. No more lost packages or late deliveries, just efficient and speedy service. Who knows, soon we might even be able to order a pizza and have it delivered by an AI drone before we finish watching this video. Potential for AI to be used in surveillance applications with drones. The potential for AI to be used in surveillance applications with drones is undeniable. With advanced drone technology and the power of artificial intelligence, the possibilities are endless. From monitoring traffic patterns to detecting threats, AI in drones has the potential to revolutionize surveillance as we know it. Ethical implications of using artificially intelligent drones in warfare scenarios. As we continue to make technological advances, the debate over the ethical implications of using artificially intelligent drones in warfare scenarios only becomes more complex. Suddenly, we find ourselves wondering which is worse, the loss of human life at the hands of fellow humans, or the potential for a runaway AI to bring about the destruction of entire nations? It's a tough question, indeed, and one that is sure to keep scholars, politicians, and science fiction authors busy for years to come. The future of drone technology. Buckle up, folks, because the future of drone technology is about to take off. With advancements in artificial intelligence, allowing them to navigate through complex environments and make split-second decisions with ease. Imagine hopping into a drone and zipping off to your destination without dealing with congested roads or grumpy Uber drivers. It may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's quickly becoming a reality. So, get ready to lift off and embrace the AI-powered world of drone technology.